welcome back to my channel again and again and again. And right now, lalakad tayo ngayon around Makati near RCBC Plaza kasi manonood tayo ng Rent the Musical dito sa may RCBC Plaza. Medyo naliligaw lang ako guys kasi yun na lang ulit ako nakapag Makati. Ayun. So let's find a way para makaabot pa rin ako doon sa sa show.
Meanwhile,
so yun guys, nasa loob na tayo ng RCBC Plaza and we're here at the CPR Auditorium. So papacheck muna natin yung ticket natin para makapasok na tayo sa loob.
one eternity later.
Lovely people, thank you very much for watching this matinee performance of Rent. We have 3 more shows left this week. That's 1 tonight and 2 tomorrow. Please tell your friends about it. Tell your enemies about it. That's okay too. Please make sure that if you are going to post about it on social media, use the official hashtag RentMNL2024 and tag @9WT Online on all of your social media platforms. Hey everybody, remember, there ain't no day but today! Thank you!
So ayun guys, tapos na. Oh my god, it's so ang ganda talaga. Enjoy naman ako. Belated happy birthday to me. It's my gift for myself na manood ng Rent. Ayun. So ayun. Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang enjoy ako manood. Mostly, kung pwede lang mag-sing-along, sining-along ko na yung ibang kanta doon. Sobrang kabisado ko naman lahat ng kanta ng Rent. Ayun. Pero overall, maganda siya. Maganda. Sayang nga lang, medyo late ko na siyang nalaman na meron palang live production ng Rent here in the Philippines. Ayun. So, ay, bibili ako nung souvenir. Yeah, yung So yun guys, like I said, bumili ako ng playbill. So maganda naman bumibili ng ganito after a musical. Manood ka ng musical. Nandito lahat yung details nung nung musical, of course, yung cast, yung story mismo, nandito na rin. And of course, I'm not sure kung ano pang meron dito. Ayun. Cast. Yun, yung cast. And ayun, mga pictures, official pictures of the play. Well, hindi tayo pwede mag-record sa loob ng sa loob ng sinihan, sorry. Sa loob ng theater. So, yun, may mga official pictures dito. So, you can enjoy looking at them. Sayang nga lang, hindi ko nakita yung mga Kapuso stars sa production kasi this is the matinee time ng ano. So, feeling ko nasa ano siya, yung other time, the 8 p.m. Yun. So, sayang hindi ko nakita yung performance ng mga Kapuso stars. Charot. Ayan. Ayan, mga ano. So, this is the part of the playbill. So, lagi akong bumibili ng ganito before pag nanonood ako ng mga musical. Ngayon na nga lang ulit ako after so many years. Feeling ko last kong pinanood is around parang decades na ata akong last na nakanood. Ayun. So, enjoy naman. Feeling ko manonood ako from now on kapag merong interesting. Sana nga meron interesting in the future na ano na mapanood ng mga musical. And hopefully, ayun, makanood tayo kahit pa paano. Ayun. Ang daming tao ngayon, guys. So, hintay lang ako na makababa dito. And pauwi na tayo. Ayan. Ayan. And this is it, guys. Another day, another video. Belated happy birthday to me. This is my gift to myself, like I said before. Ayun. So, I enjoyed it. And hopefully you enjoyed this as well. So, see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!